So just finishing off some wiring, which everybody loves. Put the new methanol wideband in, slightly different plug and everything, but it was pretty easy. Still goes to the same bit on the Microtech. Bastard. Knew that was going to happen. That's what happens when you use the wrong tool for the job. I guess. Anyway. Gotta do what you gotta do. So this is basically just for the shift light. So we don't run a tacho, we don't run pretty much anything. So we're just using the RPM out to turn the shift light on when it gets to wherever it needs to be, which is as yet undecided, but a lot less than the PP. We basically got rid of the temperature gauge, so it's only oil pressure and brake pressure. Oil pressure, obviously, because we want to know if it's fucking itself over, and brake pressure is just so I can do the fancy stuff on the line with the two-step, etc, etc, but it's always kind of been there. Yeah. So now I just got to get in there and change this little wire, which goes to nowhere at the moment because we removed it from the and we'll put our nice little ferruled end in there. Have to undo it a bit more because we're actually doing it properly. Done-ish. Without looking super terrible, but we'll probably zippy tie that up with the rest of this shit. So, yeah. Painted the bonnet. Like a satinish with lots of orange peel, which should be pretty good for the afternoon sun at Willowbank. I haven't got the screamer pipe in there because we have taken off the wastegate, figure out what springs in it, which was only £7 I think. So we're not sure what the other ones are. We got an orange one and a yellow one, which the internet tells me might be 14 and might be 21. So I'm going to go to Golby's next week sometime and get it tested. Apparently they got a machine, and yeah, maybe a week or two, take you back your dyno and actually finish off what we started.